Go.
Hi, my name's David. I'm co-founder and CEO.
Hi, I'm Gajan, co-founder and CTO.
Hi, I'm Michael, co-founder and CMO. We acknowledge the traditional custodians of the land in which we are presenting today.
Marketing music is difficult. The biggest issue that artists face these days is actually getting in front of new fans. And the current methods for marketing are manual and outdated. And as a result, there is no Gen Z engagement, who are the future tastemakers in the music industry.
The solution is SoundSmith. SoundSmith is a marketplace for artists to work directly with influencers to promote their music.
There is a growing market of 6 million artists who distribute music independently, and this is increasing due to the death of labels and the rise of independent distribution. It is a relatively untapped market that has proven highly effective in helping artists accelerate their career.
Our current business model involves us taking a 20% fee for each campaign that is purchased through the platform. Our model for growth involves us working directly with distributors such as SoundCloud, who represent millions of artists.
Like all businesses, SoundSmith has a few competitors. Our competitive advantages over these other businesses are: 1, we have a scalable marketplace. 2, we pride ourselves on transparency. So we provide in-depth influencer data for artists so that they can understand who they're best working with. Next, we have a secure payments and escrow system in place to protect both the artist and the influencer for the transactions they have. And last, we're a data-driven technology platform. So we provide more insights to artists, such as reporting, so they understand the return on investment they get through using SoundSmith.
This is a free screenshots of our product. This is the front end, and this is the back end where artists can do their campaigns.
Having bootstrapped ourselves this far, we have onboarded over 300 influencers and 10 influencer agencies to grow our social reach to over 470 million. We are beginning to partner with distributors, including Symphonic Distribution. We have worked with 5 record labels and have worked with over 40 artists, having generated millions of impressions and over $1,000 USD.
My name's David, and I'm the CEO of SoundSmith. I have a number of years experience working in the music industry, working with independent artists, as well as music marketing. Gajan, our CTO, has worked over at Intel in machine learning and at Amazon in distributed services, and is a deep lover of music. Michael is our CMO and works directly in music marketing, live event, as well as live events marketing. We all actually met as roommates at UCLA. MAP will provide us the ability to work in our custom portals on the marketplace, provide us the financial resources to implement marketing to grow our influencer and artist roster. And we're really looking forward to being able to connect with other founders and get mentorship, as well as establish an artist fund to work directly with Australian artists to grow their presence overseas. Thank you.
Thank you. Cheers.
Yeah.